hi, sup guys, it's Siloxus here. We're going to be trolling people. We're going to be using my brand new nuclear bombs, shout out Brilliant Shells for the tutorial, and also my recon jets. Let's load it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Right, the Russian military base. Let's load it. Hi guys, I'm back. Here's the big missile truck. Looks a bit goofy, I know, but I'm trying my best, and that's what's worth. Right, why did I jump so high? I didn't have a candy equipped. Loading in the nuke. Right, let's aim it at like the white team area. Might fumble, but you never know. Let's move left a bit. Yeah, for the black team, so they can still eat some radioactivity. Blue lever, well done. Right, let's select the top of the missile. Yep, perfect. Oh wait, deselect that. Perfect, well done. Right, oh, they've got isolation, so we need to turn left. Going down. Let's fly to the black team. Eat radioactive stuff. Sorry about your performance lag and all that, if that does ever occur. Right, nuke that guy. Oh, look at these signs. Don't go beyond. Radioactivity beyond. I don't think I really care. I've just launched a nuclear missile. Let's go in. Okay, so what, the cams, the research facility, and the bunker. Oh, cool. And another missile deck. I believe this one's not controllable, so it just flies everywhere. Yeah, that's its silo. Really cool. Alright. These intercontinental ballistic missiles took me hours to make. Right, second jet. Oh no, not second jet, that's the other things I'm talking about, second things. This is my recon jet. Wait till you see it. Just gonna have a look over the missile, see how good it's going. With this radioactive proof jet material. We should be okay. I think we should be okay, yeah. Oh, some performance lag, that's bad. Alright, it's fine. We'll head back early then. Just need to be careful. We just nose dive into it. That was a bit stupid. Right, nose first dive. And we just phased through the floor like the Backrooms movie trailer. Have you guys seen it yet? It looks like it's going to be pretty good. Shout out to the guys. Now I'm finally out, let's go and test the uncontrollable missile. It's pretty unstable, but it's worth it. There it goes. That's what I mean by uncontrollable. It's really glitchy. I need to fix this one. Oh no, it's spiraling. That's not good. It's like TSR bomb. I'm just launching it really. Kaboom! Look at that thing. That thing's massive. Oh, we're back. That's lovely. Walk to the portal. Like my beatboxing. Sorry. Yeah, so we're just gonna head out the big grass bunker, which actually looks like asshole whoever built that. In the engineer room, thank you. and goodbye.